Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to rationalize the denominator of an expression, and the expression is 3 over 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So here in the denominator we have two square root or root signs. We need to remove the root signs to rationalize the denominator. So for rationalization we remove the root sign from the denominator. So the first step for rationalizing the denominator is to identify the conjugate of the denominator. Here denominator is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. And the conjugate of the denominator will be 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. The conjugate is the same expression with opposite sign. The second step is to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So our expression is 3 over 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2, and we are going to multiply and divide by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Let's multiply. So the numerator will be 3 times 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by denominator will be 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 times 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So this is going to be 3 times 2 root 5 plus 3 times 3 root 2, and denominator will be, here we are going to use the formula for difference of squares, which is a square minus b square equals a minus b times a plus b. So here we have a as 2 root 5 whole square minus b is 3 root 2 whole square. This we got by using the formula, which is a square minus b square equals a minus b times a plus b. And here a equals 2 root 5 and b equals 3 root 2. So the numerator will be 3 times 2 is 6 root 5 plus 3 times 3 is 9 root 2 divided by 2 root 5 square will be 2 times 2, which is 2 square times root 5 times root 5 minus 3 times 3 times root 2 times root 2. So this is 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 divided by 2 times 2 is 4 and root 5 times root 5 is 5. So that's 4 times 5 minus 3 times 3 is 9 times root 2 times root 2 is 2. So 9 times 2. So this is going to be 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 divided by 4 times 5 is 20 minus 9 times 2 is 18. So the numerator will be 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 and 20 minus 18 is 2. So we can write it as, we can take 3 common in the numerator cause 6 and 9 have common factor of 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so that's 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2. So here we see that our denominator is now without the root sign. We have rationalized the denominator, and this is going to be our final answer. So this is how we can rationalize any denominator or any expression. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.